Hello, welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. When measuring a location, you will sometimes come across an internal or pony wall that you need to have a divider starting from the midpoint of the wall across the floor dividing the area. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to align with the midpoint of the internal wall when dividing the floor area or adding a B-seam. Let's first go over the steps to enable this feature for dividing the floor areas. From the diagram screen, tap on the room, then tap on the eye icon and select Resize. Then locate the Divide Floor option. Tap on the snap icon at the bottom of the screen and turn off Snap to Close Room Corner. By turning off this feature, it will allow you to align the divider to the midpoint of this internal wall instead of having it snap to the outside corners of the wall. As I'm adding the divider to this room, you can see that now I'm able to align the divider to the midpoint of this internal wall with ease. Compared to having to turn on the snap to close room corner option, the divider will only snap to the outside corners of the pony wall. You can also enable this feature when adding a B-seam. Tap on the estimate icon at the top left of the screen. Tap on Seams and locate the B-seam option at the very bottom. Tap on the snap icon at the bottom left of your screen and make sure that the snap to close room corner is off. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.